if sine 2a is equal to lambda times sine 2b, then write the value of lambda plus 1 upon lambda minus 1, and this can also be written sine 2a upon sine 2b is equal to lambda upon 1, and let us apply componendo and dividendo property. So which states that if a by b is equal to c by d, then we have a plus b upon a minus b, which is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. So here let us apply. So we have sine 2a plus sine 2b upon sine 2a minus sine 2b, which equals to lambda plus 1 upon lambda minus 1. So let's simplify the left side. The numerator is in the form of sin x plus sin y. So we have sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2, and the denominator in the form of sin x minus sin y. So we have 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So let us apply here. So we can write 2 sin x plus y, that is 2 times a plus 2 times b, that is 2 times of a plus b, taking common by 2, into cos of, similarly taking 2 common, a minus b, that is 2 times of a minus b by 2, upon 2 cos of 2 times of a plus b upon 2 into sin of 2 times of a minus b upon 2. So which equals to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. So here 2 and 2 get cancelled, and here 2 and 2 here also. So finally we'll have sin a plus b upon cos a plus b, that is tan of a plus b, cos a minus b sin a by sin a minus b, that is cot of a minus b, which is equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1, or we can also write it as tan of a plus b upon tan of a minus b, which is equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. So and hence we can give the answer. The value of lambda plus 1 upon lambda minus 1 is tan a plus b upon tan a minus b. Okay, thank you.